Okay, thanks.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. Thank you so much for a wonderful opportunity. Actually, found life first time in front of camera. Then I say nervous. My topic is daily routine. First of all, I get up early in the morning. Then I fresh and my hand and face up. Then I prepare for salat, fajr salat. Then I come back to my home. Then I be ready my learning go to learning place. Then I am try my all class finish. Then break time I basically break time I take my evaluation. Then I go to my Johor Salat. Then I go to attentionally mosque, go to mosque. Then I come back my classroom. Then after all class finish, then I am go to come back home. Then first of all attend my party. Then then I go to my party. Then field. I play football and cricket and other games. Then I go back home. Then I fresh up. Again I fresh up. Then I still learning this. Still I learning this at 11 p.m. and 12 p.m. Then I go to bed. Then sound sleep, go, and then again I get up early in the morning every day. Thank you so much, everyone.